Hey, welcome to Lab 59. Let's hop in there. There we go. You're performing diagnostics on a suspected faulty network interface card. Your task is to collect and review interface hardware settings with using Ethtool. View detailed information for the interface EMP0S3. So we could do that with the following command. Note that we are not running as root, so we're just running as a user who has root privileges. So we're going to use sudo Ethtool EMP03. Great. And it gives us some basic information on this Ethernet connection. And right here, it shows us that the link is actually detected. So that means that's actually connected, which is great. And then it shows us the speed over here. And then the final bit of information that's really important, especially when you are troubleshooting a potentially faulty wire, is whether the duplexer is full or not. All in all, these three different attributes that we looked at, the duplex, the speed, the link detected, are pretty important. It's also good to look up here too, because it gives you at any given time, and it also gives you a good basis to look at your speed and be like, does this look right? Does this look wrong? Etc. etc. Anyways, check the current link status. So we could do that with sudo EMP0S3, and then we're gonna grep. We're gonna pipe it into a grep for link detected. So this is in the scenario where we didn't get all that information, right? Let's say that we only want to see if the link was detected. This is the way that we'd be able to get that information. So let me just make sure, yep, that looks good to me. And then see, again, it shows this information that we got up here. But this is more of this one down here is more of an isolated. We're just grabbing that bit of information. Retrieve supported and advertise link modes. So we could do that with sudo enp-s3, and we're going to pipe that into another grep again. This time we're going to use the A option, which is after we want 10 lines. There's also the before, which is a capital B, and I think C just means current, wherever you currently are. Don't quote me on that. I don't know if I'm right. I might be pulling that out of nowhere. Anyways, let's go back to the capital A option. And then we said 10, and then we specifically wanted supported. How does it have it listed off? As supported link modes. All right, great. And so it shows us that information. So it starts off here with supported link modes, and then it was supposed to give me 10, but it looks like it gave me 8 lines. I'm not counting these as lines. Maybe I should. I don't know. That's probably what I should do. These might be actually lines as well. So then that would actually make it 10. View interface statistics. So we could do it with the following command. And we're going to use the capital S option, and that's what's going to allow us to view the statistics of this particular network interface card. And that's it for today's lab. I'll see you tomorrow with another one. All right, take care. Bye.